Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix corrupted recycle bin or recycle bin won't empty problem. Open File Explorer, click 3 dots, click Options, click View, check Show Hidden Files Folders and Drives, uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Open C drive, open recycle bin folder. Copy folder path. Type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type rd space, /s space, /q space paste already copied the file path. Type exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.